Chino Commercial Bank is thinking green. We've already started putting solar panels on all of our own locations, as well as moving a lot of our paper files into digital files. But that got some of us thinking, how else can I help? So, here are a few tips on how to make a more eco-friendly workplace. Tip number 1, reuse and recycle. Recycling is a great practice, but even that can pile up and has to be kept somewhere. So try replacing your paper cups with a reusable cup that you can wash and use every day. Tip number 2, digital bank statements. Did you know that instead of having a statement mailed to you, you can access them via the online banking as soon as they're available? Tip number 3, add some green to your view. Did you know that having a plant in the workplace not only improves air quality, but actually reduces stress in the employees that work there? This message has been brought to you by Chino Commercial Bank, working for your business.